this video will explain how to increase the average value per sale with your Facebook ads, which will improve your ROAS, your return on ad spend from your Facebook investment. Let's go. What most of us want when we're running sales campaigns for products is an incredible return on ad spend. However, sometimes what we find is the sales come in thick and fast, but the value of these sales is quite low. And the reason for that is because Facebook is simply just finding you buyers. It's thinking it's doing a good job when it's finding you buyers, and it's not understanding the value of those conversions. So Facebook does have a feature called value optimization, which you may or may not be eligible for. So this video is going to explain why Facebook sometimes prioritizes those low value sales and what we can do about it to improve our return on ad spend. So what most people do when they're running product sales ads on Facebook is they select an optimization goal of maximizing the amount of conversions. What this means for Facebook is that it is simply going to try and find you people who buy your stuff. It's not going to care about the value of those conversions. So the problem that we run into is the ROAS can be quite low. But there is another option, and that other option in that drop down is value optimization. Now that might be grayed out for some of you. I will explain why that is in a second, but let me just do a little visual representation of the difference between the two. So if we consider these pens are sales, and each color pen represents a different value of that sale. Now when we're doing maximize number of conversions, all we're saying to Facebook is put the pens in the pot. And every time we put the pen in the pot, Facebook is logging a tick in the box. However, with value optimization, let's say the red pens are the most valuable pens. This is the product that we really want to shift here. What value optimization is going to do is it might sell still a few of the green pens, but it is learning through the pixel and through your conversion API exactly what optimization event, what purchase is more valuable to your business. And it will specifically look for the people who are purchasing the higher value items. So sometimes value optimization may not be available to you because it may be grayed out. So why is that, and how do we unlock it? So there's three things that you're going to need. First thing is an active integration. So either the Pixel or Conversion API tracking installed. Preferably both. We need to get that Conversion API. I know it can be a little bit technical, but it will improve your results significantly. The second thing is we need to be sending purchase optimization events to Facebook with a value parameter attached. Now, if you're using things like Shopify or WooCommerce, then that'll all be taken care of naturally. That'll be an automated thing that is just set up. Otherwise, there's some other ways, and if you watch our event setup video, then that'll explain to you exactly how you get that done. But the third thing and the most challenging thing is that you need 30 of these value-based optimization events every 7 days in order to unlock this value optimization metric. So all of this does come with a little hazard warning because value optimization needs testing to see what is going to produce the best return on ad spend for your business. We're using it with a tennis racket supplier client at the moment because what we were finding, they were selling or are selling really high value tennis rackets to the value of about £300. But what the purchase optimization was doing is finding customers for lower cost products like their tennis balls or their tennis socks, etc. The ROAS as a result was depressed. With value optimization, we're now starting to shift some of these higher value items, but it does need testing. We've run it for other clients and the results have been broadly similar or perhaps slightly worse. So run those tests. Don't just look at it as a magic bullet. If you've got any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section because I will respond within 24 hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.